Hi everyone, today video is about making a bracelet with a piece knot. Normal thickness and not wide. .4 mm thickness and 37 mm. Total length 18 cm. Don't difficult, take your time. I will show you slowly. Try it. Let's get it started. This buckle is a special buckle. I love to down the world open the buckle, hoping that the world would be safe against the COVID-19 HIV ban. Today make bracelet very simple sequence. First, left dark brown cord between second third cord over 2 and 2, right brown cord second third over 2 and 2. Next, green center second third around, turn bottom to top, and within third first, turn around, come back front, like this. Left green, same for the right, turn around, for second, turn around, come back front. Next, right purple, right side low through, and third first, cord, turn around, come back front. Next, left purple, turn around, for second, between, turn around, come back front. Just like that. Little bit tight. Okay, pull tie. Okay, pull tie. First sequence done. Next sequence, same further sequence. Left cord, right dark brown over 22. Important point, next cord, purple, first purple, second, and turn back third, and turn around front, come back, and green, right side loop through, and come back front. like this. left work same, turn around, purple turn around, and 4 second cut between, turn around, come back, front, the other green, loop through, and turn around, come back, front, side, just like that. Little bit tie and full tie. Okay, just like that. First sequence, second sequence same, but first work point code color. Okay, next work, left code over 2 under 2, right to dark brown, to left over 2 under 2, first green, second, third, turn around, in between, third, first, turn around, come back front. Next purple, light purple, right loop through, and third, first chord, between chord, through, left, going chord, second between second, third, turn around, come back front, and first, second, chord, turn around, come back front. Last purple, left loop through, and first, second, chord, between, turn around, come back. Just like that. Little bit tie. So, okay, full tie. Next work, continue, nothing, step on top. I will be back. Not working done. After finishing, cut the cord and melt cord with a lighter to finish. Backside work, inserting into the back using a leader and cut. Just like that. Little band Lighter. Work most outside the fire. Little male. Stone.